thought you were about to transform into a Godzilla. Yes, I'm okay. That's normal,
Hindi,
isn't
ginuo ko
it?
na kam-
You know what? Hell yeah. That was terrifying. I'm sorry. Are you still gonna be my friend? I don't know. You scared the
Unsa
shit
na
out
mo
of
ang
me. You need to
ay
step out for a minute.
Manaoy
Ay,
nga.
shadow nga,
I just need to
makapuling
add,
man.
A sound effect. That was more than a sound effect.
Wala.
The voices want in. Voices?
Wala, kung pwede mo
Excuse
ingat
them.
naman,
I'm
no?
just gonna hold it in. Y'all do it too. Shut up.
Unsa man eh?
Well, I do, so. Beatrice, why didn't you help her? You think I was gonna help that? Oh, please, have you seen yourself? Yes.
Pero nga,
Ang artist.
Have you?
Ha?
Who are you? Shut up.
Na naman.
Ganina, pag ganina ba, nagpatulog pag abot
You're
nila.
good, right? Yes, I just can't stay normal for too long.
Hala na human na.
Di kabuangan. Dire day ani.
Wala ako ng mata. Wala na tirno ang mata. Tanawa ang isaping.
Hala ko, ano na ko
Yeah,
lang.
so I would suggest you be quiet, okay?
Ginoo ko unsa man eh, mura man igbalas.
Girl, take out the chicken out the freezer. Oh shit! Did you take the chicken out the freezer?
Usa. Uy, ginoo ko balas.
Pupas.
Ng ating mga medical
Di man,
etc.
tanawa,
ay may
liters.
ayos, ano? Kung ikaw ay nasa industriya, sino ang specific
Sa paabot.
which is task force mo?
Hoy!
Para yung planta mo hindi umuusok, yung tubig mo ay very efficient, ang paggamit mo, etc. etc. So, it's a
Istorya ta, di?
Lagi.
Ang pagchika may ba? Unsa may chika dito wala na?
Chika dito eh.
Wala